morning, children. Today we are going to do another lesson of our course book, that is The Last Leaf. Children, this story is about artists who used to paint. There are three main characters in this lesson. The first one is Johnsy. She is the main character. Next one is Sue. Now, Johnsy and Sue, they were having a common interest, and that common interest was painting, because of which they were earlier working in the same studio, and gradually they become good friends and they started sharing a common apartment. After that, children, there are one more another character in this lesson, and that character name is Birham. Okay, children, that character name is Birham. Now, Birham was the senior painter and he was waiting for a masterpiece. He was waiting to make a masterpiece, and his name was Birham. Okay, so the story moves around these three characters. That is Johnsy, Sue, Birham. And Sue and Johnsy, they gradually became good friends and they started sharing a common apartment. After some days, what happened, children? In that particular area where they were living, in that country, pneumonia spread on a very large number. Pneumonia started spreading and Johnsy was also under the observation of doctor, and she was also suffering from pneumonia. The doctor who used to come to look and take care of Johnsy, he told that we have tried many medicines. We have given many medicines, and the Johnsy condition and Johnsy's condition is becoming worse day by day. There is no scope that we are able to see that she is getting good by the medicine, that there is any improvement or there is any change in the health of Johnsy. But daily what is happening? The health is getting decreased day by day. She is becoming more weak, okay, and she is becoming very thin and very lean day by day. So now medicines are not making an effect on Johnsy. Sue was a very positive character in this lesson. She take the best care of Johnsy. She gave her soup, medicine and other things from time to time, and she take care of Johnsy like a mother do. So like this way, Johnsy and Sue, they were living and they were staying in a common apartment, and when Johnsy fell sick, Sue used to take care of Johnsy. Now Sue was also worried about Johnsy, that there is no improvement in the health of Johnsy. So she keep on asking Johnsy, is there anything that is troubling you? Are you worried because of something? Or other things like that. But Johnsy will not give any answer, and she will say that it's nothing. I'm not worried about anything. I'm not worried about anything. But it's not, means I'm not getting well. So one day when Johnsy was lying on her cot and she was looking out of the window, there was a creeper plant, children, and there were leaves on the creeper plant. Okay, and Sue heard a whispering that Johnsy is saying something. She was counting in reverse manner, like 100, 99, 98, 97. She was counting in a reverse manner. So Sue just happened to look where she is looking, where Johnsy is looking, and what she is trying to count. Sue looked out of the window and she find that there is a creeper plant, an ebony creeper plant, an old olive plant, creeper, whose leaf was falling down, and Johnsy was counting that. Okay, children. So what used to happen, children? The leaves, as they were falling down, she is counting, and it was right opposite to the window where Johnsy was lying. Okay, children. So first of all, though Sue did not think anything fishy, but then when she used to count daily, that time Johnsy was means being suspected that why she is counting and what she is trying to prove by counting these leaves. Sue just happened to ask one that, Johnsy, what are you counting and why are you counting these leaves? Sue said that I am counting these. Johnsy said that I am counting these leaves because when the last leaf will fall down, I will also leave my life. I will not be living after that. So all these things Sue used to discuss with Benham, who used to live in the first floor of the apartment. He was a very good artist and he was waiting to make a masterpiece. Okay, children. So Sue used to discuss these things with Benham, and Benham was also worried about the condition of Johnsy. But children, in these things we cannot do anything. It depends upon the condition of the patient. Okay, the willpower to live, the willpower to fight with the illness and other things will make a person live happily or will make a person do something odd which he or she should not do. So like this way, Johnsy and Sue, they were worried about their means Johnsy, Sue and Benham. They all were worried about Johnsy's health, but Johnsy was worried about only one thing, that when the last leaf will fall down, I will also leave my life and I will also die. So children, I am going to explain the same thing in Hindi. In this story, Johnsy and Sue, ये दोनों आर्टिस्ट रहते हैं, पेंटिंग रहते हैं. ये लोग एक स्टूडियो में मिलते हैं जहाँ पे ये लोग आर्ट एंड बाकी चीजें सीखते हैं. They become very good friends and they started sharing a same apartment. They started living in, वो लोग एक अपार्टमेंट शेयर करने लगते हैं. और उन्हीं के अपार्टमेंट के नीचे एक बेरहम नाम का व्यक्ति रहता था जो बहुत ही अच्छा पेंटर हुआ करता था, और ये अभी वेट कर रहा था कि मुझे अपनी बेस्ट मास्टरपीस बनाना है. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से जो बेरहम था ये वेट कर रहा था कि मुझे अपनी मास्टरपीस, बहुत सुंदर सी एक मास्टरपीस बनानी है जो इसने अभी तक बनाया नहीं था. ठीक है, कुछ दिनों के बाद जॉन्सी को निमोनिया हो जाता है और निमोनिया के कारण वो बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो जाती है. ठीक है, और उसकी जो हालत रहती है वो दिन ब दिन फॉल होती रहती है, दिन ब दिन गिरती रहती है. तो जॉन्सी को जो स्यू है वो एक मदर की जैसे केयर करती है. स्यू डॉक्टर्स को बुलाती है, उनके साथ उसकी मेडिसिन कंप्लीट कराती है, उसको सूप, उसको जो भी खाने के लिए लगता है वो सब कुछ बना के उसको प्रॉपर मेडिकल और प्रॉपर खाना बाकी चीज़ें वो देती है. मगर जॉन्सी की हालत में कोई सुधार नहीं होता है. स्यू टाइम टू टाइम सारी बातें बेरहम को भी बताती हैं कि जॉन्सी की हेल्थ में कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं है, जिसके कारण स्यू, बेरहम और जो डॉक्टर है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा वरिड थे, क्योंकि डॉक्टर ने सारी मेडिसिन जो थी वो ट्राई कर ली थी जॉन्सी के ऊपर, मगर किसी भी मेडिसिन का जॉन्सी पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था. एक दिन जब जॉन्सी लेटी हुई थी और स्यू उससे पूछती है कि क्या कोई टेंशन है, क्या कोई परेशानी है जो तुम्हें परेशान कर रही है, जिसके कारण से तुम रिकवर नहीं हो पा रही हो. तो जॉन्सी ने बोला, नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, मैं क्यों रिकवर नहीं हो पा रही हूँ इसका रीज़न मुझे भी नहीं पता है. फिर जॉन्सी को एक दिन स्यू देखती है कि जॉन्सी कुछ काउंट कर रही है. जॉन्सी को जब स्यू ध्यान से देखती है तो वो ये चीज़ नोटिस करती है कि जॉन्सी के बेड के ऑपोजिट में, मतलब उसके जस्ट सामने ऑपोजिट बिल्डिंग में एक पेड़ लगा हुआ है, एक इवरी का पेड़ लगा हुआ है जिसकी पत्तियां गिर रही हैं, और वो उन्हीं पत्तियों को काउंट कर रही है, 100, 99, 98, 97. और धीरे से जॉन्सी स्यू को बोलती है कि जब इस पेड़ की आखिरी पत्ती गिर जाएगी तब मैं भी अपनी लाइफ को खो दूंगी. जॉन्सी बहुत ज़्यादा इस चीज़ पर स्टिफ थी कि जब इस पेड़ की आखिरी पत्ती गिर जाएगी तो मैं भी अपनी लाइफ से, मतलब आई विल बी नो मोर, ऐसा जॉन्सी बोलती है. मगर फिर जो स्यू है वो उसका माइंड डाइवर्ट करने की कोशिश करती है, मगर जॉन्सी बिल्कुल भी किसी भी तरीके से अपने माइंड को डाइवर्ट नहीं करती है और वो कहती है कि मैं एकदम सच बोल रही हूँ कि जब इस पेड़ की लीव्स गिर जाएंगी तो मैं भी अपनी लाइफ का मेरा भी एंड हो जाएगा। वो उसको बहुत मोटिवेट करती है स्यू, मगर जॉन्सी कुछ सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं होती। फिर स्यू बोलती है कि ये विंडो मैं क्लोज कर देती हूँ, अभी सो जाओ और हम मॉर्निंग में बात करेंगे। चिल्ड्रन, this much in this lesson for now. Next we'll see in the next video. Okay class.